very important update. You're welcome to Karma Studios. The news reaching us currently is that there is a coup in Ivory Coast, I mean la Côte d'Ivoire.
Pourquoi ils veulent violer la constitution ivoirienne? Merci. Pourquoi? Nous ne voulons pas ça. On est fatigué. On est là. Si Ouattara il pense que c'est l'intelligence.
Alassane Ouattara, he is the president for the people of Ivory Coast, I mean la Côte d'Ivoire. Now, from yesterday till now, the people of Ivory Coast don't know whereabouts of their president, that is Alassane Ouattara.
Le départ du mon général Mamadi Monaba fait gâter Doumbouya. Il est arrivé, c'est aujourd'hui. Regardez, mon général est là, mon général est là, mon général est là.
Because they feel like, yes, this military in the country has kidnapped this man, and then when you go to where the presidential, the presidential house, they cannot find Alassane Ouattara. Now you see, in every country they have these policies. Some more policies, some more here. So you can go for the second time. You cannot go say Ghana and say untimin court 3 terms. And I say when you go for your second term, untimin kobium, and that is all. Oko America same thing. Oko 2 consecutive times are absent. You cannot go for the 3rd time again. Now same thing was happening in Ivory Coast. You know, in African country we have this president who will be ruling for 54 years. 49 years and 36 years and over. But in Ivory Coast, Alassane Ouattara is going for his 4th time, and the people are not really happy about this issue.
La Côte d'Ivoire retient son souffle. Dans nombre des grandes villes comme Abidjan, Bouaké, Daloa, Yamoussoukro, Korogo, Gagnoa ou encore San Pedro, quelque chose se prépare.
Now, the military people in the country has taken over the country, and then the people are even rejoicing and say, no, his governance was very bad. You cannot speak, you cannot talk, more like a curfew country that they live in. Things are really expensive. You can start a business today, tomorrow the business is going to collapse.
L'arrivée de mon général Mamadi Monaba fait gâter Doumbouya. Mon général Mamadi, mon général Mamadi Monaba fait gâter Doumbouya.
This man has been treating them badly. This man doesn't think about them. This man is an ally of the France and then the Americans and the West who are trying to, destroy one continent.
Dans le départ, tout le monde, ils sont engagés, ils sont prêts, il est là, mon général est là, il est là.
And then there was a news circulating say these French people, they sent a spy to Ivory Coast. That there was this lady Abusia news trending say France of foreign to me send a spy or Babisia. So uncle Burkina Faso no spy Ibrahim Traore, his activities, his things that he has been doing in the country, the good works and the side and the weakness of Ibrahim Traore and his people. Now Nippon want to me fly and call Burkina Faso straight. This lady has to pass through Ivory Coast, and then if you have been following Ibrahim Traore, his ruling from the very first day, 2022, September, he's still the president. Ivory Coast was the first place you could say these France troops, they were passing and getting into Burkina Faso. So the Burkina Faso people believe that they be the only ways it means these France people can get to them is to pass through Ivory Coast. Is to be friends with Alassane Ouattara. And this man has been ruling since he said Omutu, their president, when they did the coup and then they arrested that president. I've forgotten his name. So he has been president since then. And then he was friend with this Blaise Compaoré. Yes. So Blaise Compaoré was overthrown. No, he was elected on power because his ruling was very bad at that time. And the people are saying to the happy. This man has been in governance, no improvement in the country. Or the country, economically, they are really bad because they are the largest producer of cocoa in the entire world. But no development in their country. The lives of the people are really bad. People are saying to the happy. The way this man is ruling their country, they don't like it. So these military people, they are saying no, they are channel. No, they are not going to release him currently.
Mon général est là, il est là, il est venu. Le général des généraux, le le président des présidents. C'est le meilleur président au monde. Meilleur président au monde. Meilleur président au monde. Mon général Mamadi, Monaba, Fekata Doumbouya. Eh mon général, mon général, mon général. On est là. On est là.
They want the people to rejoice as Burkina Faso people are rejoicing at the moment, because they feel like say there is a good leader ruling them at the moment. That is what is happening. And then when you look at this news that is coming up, I showing say this I mean the military leaders are supposed to take over now. When they take over now, they are going to join the Sahel state, you know, this the AES, you know. So it's going to be Burkina Faso, Mali, Niger, and Ivory Coast. So when these things happen, there is no ways and means that this France and then the American people can come into Burkina Faso or Ivory Coast or Mali or Niger. No, it's not going to happen, because these people has come together because they share borders, and they have come together and they're going to tighten their borders and they're going to tighten their security. Development is going to happen because Ivory Coast is one of the richest people in Africa. But the people are complaining of hardship in their country. He says no, President no moyen.
On t'accompagne, mon général, Amara, il connaît, qui va quitter, Ousmane Doumbouya, on est là, nous capables de
President no moyen, he is not really good. This president is not helping the people. This is a news coming from Ivory Coast. Any update that drops on the media space, I'll bring it to you right on Karma Studios. If today is your first time, kindly give us a hit and then turn on the notification bell on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook at Salifab. TikTok is Karma Studios. For any update that comes on onto the social media, we bring it to you right on our doors. Sticky the Pastor, your favorite and the youngest content creator in your country, and I'm finally out.